Hello friends, here we are with another new video. In my today's video, let me show you what we're gonna do. Just a second. Just a second. I hope my screen is visible. So as you can see on my screen, and as you saw the title of this video, we are going to do the basics of trigonometry. Yes, guys, we are going to do the basics of trigonometry. So, as you can see here, I've written many topics. Don't get scared. We are not going to do all of them. We are just going to pick up ratios and formulas for today. Yes? Okay. So, when we hear about trigonometry, some people think that it's a very tough branch of math, and it's a very tough topic and many more things. But let me tell you guys, it's not tough. It's really simple. See, suppose now, just a minute. Just a minute. Let me move ahead. So, what do you see on your screen? A right angle triangle. Am I right? With base at B and C and the origin at B. So, can anyone tell what the hypotenuse will be? Am I audible? Okay. So, I think I got muted. Okay, so I was asking, can anyone tell what the hypotenuse would be? Can anyone tell the base? I just told it. And can anyone tell the perpendicular? Okay, so the hypotenuse of this triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC would be A and AC. AC it would be. The base of this would be BC, which I just told you. And the perpendicular would be A and B. So guys, trigonometry is based on all this what you are seeing in front of you. Just one thing in trigonometry. They call this right angle as theta. This is the symbol of theta. It's like an O. Yeah, exactly this. So this is a symbol of theta. It is one of the angle. Suppose if this right angle, we keep it as theta, there is one angle and one angle. These two angles. So if we have one as theta, and suppose if we have A angle and this right angle theta, then it will be very easy for us to find this angle. We'll do how, but I'm just introducing to the basics of it. So next, when we move on, just a minute. Okay, that's the end of the board. Yeah, so, or let me erase it. Just a second. Yeah. So, as I told you, when we have a right angle, okay, sorry. When we have a right angle triangle and two other angles, this is the theta. Suppose A, B, and C. So, yeah, so in trigonometry, we have to know that there are some terms such as sine, Just a second. No, yeah. Cos, tan, sec, cosec, and cot. Okay, so all of these terms have their own formulas, which we will be discussing now. Just a minute. Before we move on to the formulas, let me tell you the full form of these terms which I just told you. So this one is sine, you just call it sine, sin, you denote it. Cos is cosine, tan is tangent, sec is secant, cosec would be cosecant, then cot would be cotangent. Okay, guys, so we'll move on to the formulas for this. Till that, I'll be just back, just a second. Yeah, guys, so I'm back. So I was gonna tell you the formulas for these. So if you would have taken down or learned the this one, the full forms, I will be removing them now. Um, yeah. So let's move on to the formulas for this. So sine, you always write it as a second. Yeah. So I made a mistake here. We need to leave some space. I'll let you know why we are leaving space here. Yeah. So we left the space because we always write theta in front of every trigonometric ratio. These are 6 trigonometric ratios. So yeah, it's going bad because I'm using the laptop. But the real symbol is this. Sorry, not this. No. This is really bad. Let me tell you, the real symbol would be this. That's the theta symbol. That's THETA. That's theta. Okay, yeah, so that's the symbol which I'm trying to draw here. So you call it sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, cot theta, like that. So, yeah. So let me mention here, this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this is a base. If you all agree with me till here and an understanding, please hit a like on this video and also subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, so now let's go ahead. So an easy way of remembering these formulas is P B P divided by H H B. Just a second, don't take that into regard here. Yeah. So if you all didn't understand what I wrote here, this, just a second, this and this. So P by H will be the formula of sine theta. P by H. What is P by H? P by H is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So when you take perpendicular by hypotenuse, it will be sine theta. It will be the formula for sine theta. So let me write it here. P by H. So cos theta, the formula would be B by H. So PBP, HHB. B by H it would be, which is base by hypotenuse. When we go down, tan would be P by B, which would be perpendicular by base. Okay, so if you would be wondering that I wrote formulas for these three, but why didn't I write for these three? The answer is because these three have the formulas inverse of what sine, cos and tan have. So sec is equal to inverse of sine, cosec is equal to inverse of cos, and cot is equal to inverse of tan. So let me show you. So the sec formula would be, wait, let me just write it here. HHB P B P. So there you go. Let me come back here. Yeah, so sec formula would be hypotenuse. Just a second. The sec formula would be hypotenuse by perpendicular. Cosec formula would be hypotenuse by base. And the cot formula would be base upon perpendicular. So guys, this is the formulas. Okay, so these are the formulas. Just a second. I can enlarge it, I guess, if you want. If it's I know it's a very messy screen, but I cannot help it. Okay, so let me erase this except the formulas. I'll erase everything except the formulas. Just a second. Just write theta after all this. Here, theta, 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 everywhere. Okay. So now let's move on. So we learned this. Okay. So if we want to find, suppose I give you a right angle triangle like this, and I say find the sine theta. Then what would you do? So what you would, and I give like 10, one second, 10, 5, suppose so if I give you 10 and 5, okay, so now what you have to find? Sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What would you do? Your perpendicular is 5 by hypotenuse is 10. So your answer would be 1 by 2, which is nothing but half. So 1 by 2 would be your sine theta. Suppose I gave you 100 by, let's say, 1 second, 100 by 1, your values are that, so it would be 1 second. Okay, so it would be perpendicular, which is 1 by hypotenuse, which is 100. So 1 by 100 would be your sine theta. Like that only you will be able to find your cos theta, your sine theta we have found. Okay, I have a better idea, better than scratching them off. Let's take them. So I found sine theta and showed you. Yeah, so I found this and showed you. To find cos theta, it's the same. They will be giving you base and the hypotenuse, but this would be a question mark. Perpendicular would be a question mark. So you have to, using the formula, you have to find that. So when we move ahead, we also have a table to learn, which is an easy table, but it's really big. So no problem, we'll learn it. It's not that difficult. Okay, so like this only we can find out all the 6 of these. So you people would have understood. It's just using the formula. They'll give a diagram, or if it's a word problem, they'll give you written what side is what, based at what. So this is a right angle triangle based at B and C, origin at B, and the hypotenuse is A and C, right? A and C hypotenuse, A and B perpendicular, B and C base. So guys, hope you understood this much. For today, we'll be doing only this much, as I promised you, for ratios and formulas only. Our identities, table, trigonometric angles, and there are many other things. That and all we'll do in the next video. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and for more updates on when I'm gonna post my new video, etc. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share my video, and also comment if you like the video. So thank you. Bye for now. Bye.